Welcome to Teacher Trivia. Test your teaching and education knowledge. Based on a recent study, what is the most likely reason teachers want to quit their job? A. Not enough pay. B. Lack of respect. C. Too much paperwork. Or D. Pressure of standardized testing. And the answer is lack of respect, which is the reason most teachers gave. However, many different teachers want to quit for many different reasons. You may have your own personal reason for wanting to quit. Based on my experience, I would agree that there is a growing lack of respect for teachers. If you guessed this answer correctly, you definitely have your ear to the ground. If you would like to learn more about why teachers want to quit, check out the video in the top right-hand corner. Thank you, and don't forget to hit the like button as well as the subscribe button